Hey everyone, are you ready to level up your AI skills and get certified? Well, the brand new AWS Certified AI Practitioner Exam launched today. And over the next month, I'm going to help you navigate and prepare for this exam through daily, bite-sized videos in my brand new series, AI Practitioner Exam Bites. This exam is designed for people who want to have a greater understanding of AI and machine learning in general, to engage in conversations about these technologies. So don't worry if you're not an AI or machine learning expert. This certification focuses on understanding and applying concepts rather than hands-on development. If you look at the exam guide, you'll see there are over 60 exam objectives. Now, this might seem a little overwhelming, but don't worry, I've got you. Each day, I'll be breaking down one or more of these objectives into a video which is short, sharp, and to the point. Whether you're commuting, taking a quick break, or just have a few minutes to spare, you'll be able to fit these into your day. Every day a new video will drop, and by the end of this series, you should have a solid foundation of all the key topics. It's a fantastic way to spread out your exam preparation into bite-sized chunks. So make sure to hit that follow or subscribe button, and let's get ready to tackle the AWS Certified AI Practitioner Exam with confidence. See you tomorrow for the first video, where we'll cover the foundational terms and concepts which underpin AI and machine learning.